How to set the default home app back to Samsung One UI Home on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings App. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, click on Choose Default Apps. After click on Choose Default Apps, scroll down, and click on Home App. After click on Home App, so if you want to set default Home app back to Samsung One UI Home, click on One UI Home. Click on One UI Home. After select One UI Home, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set the default home app back to Samsung One UI Home, Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.